I dare say it does, though I haven't found that particularly in Gatenio emphasizing that. But I'm quite sure that in places he takes that for granted as one of the attributes of our learning self. The capacity to retain something internally and to listen to it and savor it. And I probably arrived at it through, I think it's what happens when you stop relying on getting the student to repeat after you, and there is a model. Let's say it comes from the teacher, it might come from somewhere else. So the teacher says something and then says to the student, don't repeat. Listen to me and don't repeat. Listen and don't repeat would be the phrase. Okay, listen and repeat. And when they're not repeating, you are encouraging, imagining, helping them just to listen inside, and they hear it. And then when they've heard it, they can begin to get ready to say it, and then they can say it. So there's a longer drawn out process during which something is happening inside. And so when you don't quickly get a person to repeat after you, there's a space, and in that space you start to say, now what's happening? Well, it's happening inside. What's happening inside? And you look at yourself, and then you realize that could be happening in the student. In this case, it's an inner repetition, inner rehearsal. So I just call that inner workbench.